The realization of energy saving and emission reduction of fiber fabric air ducts in automobile factories is as follows. Reduce energy consumption through optimized design. Reduce loss by tight air leakage. Improve energy efficiency by uniform air supply. And reduce carbon emission by special material, so as to achieve energy saving and emission reduction in operation, material, and overall efficiency. Fiber fabric air ducts are suitable for automobile factories because they are flexible in installation, uniform in air supply, resistant to oil and dirt, easy to clean, and energy-saving and environmentally friendly, adapting to complex production environments, and enhancing work efficiency and environmental performance. Automobile factories often contain large amounts of oil and dust, which places high demands on the cleaning and maintenance of the air supply system. The fiber fabric duct system is made of a special oil and dirt-resistant material, with a surface coating that effectively prevents oil contamination and staining, and is easy to clean and maintain.